And start kicking your legs. Kick, kick, kick.
And I will give you a bottle. And let's see what happens with your legs.
That is excitement. And calm down now.
Hey. Should we have some more food? Should we have some more food? Look at some more food.
And watch the kicking again. Ooh, oh.
Delicious. Every spoon is another hour's sleep.
And calm the legs down with a bottle and calm. Like a light switch.
Push the paper.